Well, since he's not ready to paint his window, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the bank. I got a couple checks to deposit. All right, I'm going to head on into the bank now and get that taken care of. What's the date today? 26. Yeah, that's right. Thanks. All right, I got that taken care of. Now I'm going to check my messages, see if anything's happening. Well, I got a call from James from the Missing Link bike shop. I do 2 of his stores, and apparently he's opening a new store. And he's kind of in a hurry to get it done because they're opening Sunday. So he lucked out because George wasn't there. Hi James, it's Scott, the window painter. Yeah, I might be able to do it today.
Well, I'm going to be in that space later today, but not until the afternoon.
Oh, okay. Well, do you need to be there? Can you just tell me what you want on it?
Well, I thought maybe you could do our logo, or maybe you could screen print our logo for us.
Oh, the...
Because you do those screen prints, and I don't know if I can really afford a sign yet, you know, but if we could just get our logos up in the window, and I thought you could screen print our other mascot guy like you do.
Yeah, maybe I can do that tonight and then put it up in the morning.
Yeah, maybe I should email you my logo.
Oh, okay. So is it a different logo?
Nope, it's the same logo. Do you think you have all that already?
Yeah, is it the Bigfoot character?
No, that's our sort of our mascot. Our logo is a different thing. It's like a baby blue colored sort of chain link figure.
I don't know if I have it. You can send, let me give you my email. Let me give you my email and you can send it to me.
Do you think you can text me that? Because I'm kind of out and about right now.
Okay, I'll do that, and just try to send quality, you know, fairly large images. Like, don't send JPEGs with 72 DPI because I won't be able to print them.
I think that's not the artist folder that I send out for stuff like this.
Okay, great.
Like vector quality or whatever.
And then, yeah, and just tell me how big you want them too, and how many, and whatever. Okay, great. I'll text you my email.
I'm super excited, Scott. Thank you so much for calling me. I'll get that stuff emailed as soon as I get that text, okay?
All right, thanks.
All right, bye.
Bye. Alrighty. Came home, had me a little lunch, and started to work on the video for a tad, but then I decided to call back George, and he's there and he's ready. He doesn't want to wait. He's like, let's do it. So I'm heading back to Hollywood Fitness now. Alright, so I'm going to go into autumn here. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Now. That part. Just a quick shot here. Smile.
Really?
Yeah, really. All right. All right, we talked to George, and it looks like Buddy is going to be the theme of the window. And Buddy is a little parrot, and he was voted #1 parrot gym in Portland, best of. So we're going to put him on the window and then mention something about upgrading. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, there's my reference down there. So we're going to paint him lifting a weight. So let's get him over here, like so. We want to make him kind of buff, so do his head. Okay, I got Buddy done on the window. That's his name, Buddy. and he was voted #1 gym parrot in Portland. I already mentioned that, right? Anyway, he's done. I've anthropomorphized him, turned him into a humanized type character. But he looks pretty good. He's got a little barbell in one hand, and he's pointing it at himself, and he'll be talking, saying something like, "Yeah, come check out your workout, buddy," or something. I'll think of something cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second coat of this first, and then I'll start working on the lettering and the other stuff too. Okay, I got the first coat of white done, and I'm going to do a second coat on some of this stuff, like this bird, Buddy, and this word balloon. I had a typo here. It was $19.95, but it's supposed to be $19. I got most of the color done. I got a couple more colors on Buddy the Parrot, and then I'll go ahead and outline it all and do the lettering. Shouldn't be too much longer.